welcome back again to another video. If you are new here, karibu sana. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and also you like this video, and then you comment at the end of the video. Okay, so today it's on today is on Thursday, and it's 7 a.m. We are just watching our news evening 7 p.m. news. So we are all of us here, and we have been here the whole day, and this is the time that I'm going to start doing this video for you guys to watch. If you are watching at this time, good night. If you are watching in morning hours, good morning. Okay, so we have strongman here.
Yes.
Salimia watu
wengi. Watu wote. How are you, many people? Where are you watching us from? We are in Africa, a country called Kenya. Yeah. County number 012.
016.
016. Yeah, we are chilling here after a long day from school, from work, from being here. Everyone is tired, but our mom is still on the work.
I'm very tired, by the way. I had a lot of work to do today. I didn't shoot a video, but I decided to shoot at this time for you to watch our evening routine.
Yeah, and for those who send me a QR, thank you very much.
What is QR?
Quick recovery.
Oh, he's fine now, by the way.
I'm
Are
okay
you
now.
recovering? Oh, you are good.
I'm recovering. I'm a bit good. Do you see the strongness in me? It has come. Not the way I was doing things slowly. At least today, yes.
Today you are stronger.
Yes.
So we won't be calling you strong man.
Now I'm strong man.
Can we call you stronger man?
Stronger man, yeah. Because I have come with a lot of what?
Strongness. Okay. So I hope you are fine, guys, wherever you are watching us. Thank you so much for always coming and watching our content.
Yes.
And if you are new here, welcome. This is us. My name is Lucia. By the way, I haven't told you my name.
Yeah, and for those who don't know me, I'm Edwin.
Yes,
But
Alvin.
strong man.
Yeah.
Yeah, aka strong man.
AKA strong man.
Yeah, and
do I have an AKA?
yeah, no. I don't see.
Can I tell you the one I was being called when I was little?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't do it. Was a very funny name. I don't want to imagine. People used to call me that name, and I didn't like it. I hated that name. Guys, did you have a nickname?
You had a nickname, a childhood nickname? Yeah.
And when you are being called, you feel like
this. Mabagavanyo. You know Mabagavanyo?
Yeah, I felt so bad. Even when I was in Form 1, I could go back home and somebody will tell me, "Oh, you have arrived." That name, I feel so bad. But now I'm a very grown-up woman. Nobody can call me those names. And nowadays there are no nicknames for kids.
They are, because even my kids have nicknames. We have Tekwalo, with Alvin.
So right now it's 7.
And also we have
Olivia. It's 7:30 p.m. and we want to prepare our supper. This is our routine. This time, we just rest here. Someone has just finished.
Yeah, for those who are outside
tea.
Africa, in Africa, this is how the meal goes. For those who are, let's say, the medium, we have a high class.
We have medium.
We have the high but medium.
And low.
Medium and then the low class. With the low class, this is how life is. You take one meal in the morning if you have it. Some even skip if they don't have. Yeah, it depends on how.
What stage are we?
That day it was. I'm coming to that. And then like us when we were small kids, I can remember we used to skip some meals. It's not that we wanted, but it's situation forced it. But here we are grown-ups, and we are doing good. Yes, now in Africa, for those who are in America and those who went in America when they were small kids, they don't know how Africa works. In Africa, I saw, especially those who are living in the suburb areas like the Ushagos, the Nini, yani rural areas, uko Ushago, uko ndani.
Village life.
Those village life, the original village life. There is an original village life.
This ours is a fake original.
This is improved. Yani we are trying to improve
village life,
yeah,
African village life.
And me, I call it poverty because there's no way that you're going to use firewood and you have gas in the house.
Yes.
You use firewood because you don't have a gas.
Yeah, we were there.
Yeah. Now, for those who are living here, at least we have Nini.
We are on the middle.
Yeah, we are on the middle life.
We were the lowest life.
Yeah, I hope you can recall with our videos how we
have
used
been
to
watching
live
us,
and now. And let me tell you that we have seen the glory and the blessings of God upon our lives.
So now I'm going to the kitchen to start cooking. Today we are going to cook a very, very delicious meal. So come along and see what we are going to have today. Okay? Oh, it's dark here. Oh, let me light up this bulb. I'm here now. Then I'm going to cook fish and spinach. I have fish and spinach, so that's what I'm going to prepare today. I have 3 fish here. I bought it at our shopping center. 3 of them. 3 will be enough for us. I don't know if they are big ama ni kidogo, but it's size. This size, this one. I think this size. So I have 3. So without wasting any time, let me begin cooking. Okay. So this is my pan now. I'm going to prepare the fish with this pan. So let me light it so that I can add the onion. Now this is my onion. guys, we are done with our supper. We are now full. Are you full? You're full, eh?
I'm okay.
You're okay? You're not full?
No, at night you don't eat to be full.
You just eat a portion. Okay, so we are done with our supper. It's 9:10 p.m. We have eaten, rested, and now we are still here watching our videos right there.
Watching ourselves. We do watch ourselves.
Watching ourselves. Can I show you? Can you see? We are watching ourselves there. That is Mama Yao. Huh? Cooking chapati. I do watch myself too, by the way. So I hope you have enjoyed. It was a short video, but I hope you have enjoyed. Remember to like. Right now we are going to have a shower and then we sleep.
As you know, you got a bathroom in our house.
We got a bathroom now in our house. In our MABATI house.
You don't have to rotate like the way we used to do. Kwanza the time we came here, let me tell you guys, we had a problem with bathing. The only time you could bathe was like this at night, outside, when it's it was very cold, and not that it was a forest, it was so bushy that creatures was flying everywhere that if you light a candle, they want that light.
Imagine.
They will come there and gather there. So we used to do it in the dark. And the wind here when it's at night, it's so cold, the wind blows. Outside there, it's very cold.
Very cold.
Yeah, that's why we decided to partition this house. When it's hot, we don't feel it. When it's cold, we don't feel it.
Yes, so nowadays we shower inside our house.
Yeah, nowadays we do it inside the house. We thank God for it because it's not easy. Many people are still rotating their houses, going outside for the toilet, going outside to wash. You carry water with a basin like this. You go and shower. Especially those who are living in rented houses, these rented MABATI houses. They know the what? Let me just how do I call it? The problem.
The struggles. The
struggles they go through when it's come to using the latrine or using the bathroom. You wake up early in the morning at 4 a.m. in the morning so that you can go and queue for a bathroom.